our hoarding cleanup update. Don't know if you saw my last one, but not a whole lot's happened until yesterday. But today, I'm going to show you what I went through. Actually, I was surprised. Gigi got in the girls' room that you can't get in, and she started cleaning clothes out of the dresser. And I mean, the little shoes and all this, yeah, those are so cute. And the little clothes, but they don't fit them anymore. She's got 3 piles in there, and each one's going to a different thing that she has set up. And she got all them shoes stacked on the side. But anyway, let's get to this story. So I'm going to take a picture of what I'm doing and show you what started this today for Papa. By the way, I'm Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen on Sundays, Saturday night if you want to. Check out my outdoor cooking. Alright, let's get to it. So, you see this picture right here. I should be showing you a picture. Okay, so we had a water break under the house, and they came in and they decided to go up and over and down, and they cut out sections of our sheetrock to do that. So I've got to replace sheetrock. I got to try to match the texture and all that. But in the meantime, about 8 years ago, a cleaner bottle got knocked over, and we didn't know it for a long time because it's a spare bathroom. We got 3 of them, and the dye went into the grout, into the grout. And I'm doing everything I can to get that grout cleaned up. Now Super Clean, it's doing a little bit of job, and it may work, and I don't need to replace the grout, because that's what I think I'm going to have to do, because that's been there a long time. But I'm giving Super Clean a chance. If you want some Super Clean products, I'll leave a link to it down below. Plus, I think I saw it at Walmart. I've been to Walmart twice this year. Yeah. In the meantime, so I'm fixing to go show you some of this stuff, okay? So you want to stick around for that. I found, you're going to see in just a minute, I had to go way back in there because I know 20 years ago, I used the grout, and I wanted the same grout for the same color. I saw stuff I hadn't seen in 15, 20 years. We're fixing to go see some of them. But first, let me tell you this. I got a box of games from Boggle and Yahtzee and all that. I got that out. We're going to play that with the granddaughters. And then check these out. I found one of my old drills. Again, we're going 15, 20. Oh man, check this out. Look at this. Can y'all see those buttons? They're pretty old and cracked and yeller. Huh. And this one here, this was a favorite of mine. My little corner sander. If you can see it. Oh, let's get it out. I'll show you. I had no idea where that was. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to flip the camera around and keep mumbling on and show you what I did today. By the way, I took time out and I watched that Alabama Longhorns game yesterday. I was kind of proud of the Longhorns staying in there, but Alabama had a lot of problems. But unfortunately, they got it together at the end. Yeah. Let's go see. Oh yeah, real quick. You like clean up? Hit that bell. Wow, Papa. Look at all that. All that is to be trashed. Kind of like that cobalt back there. I've had that 20 years probably in a case up in here, and look at all that stuff. There's an Uncle Steve shake box he mailed me right there. Yeah, all that's going in the trash. Oh, check this out. My next door neighbor about 15 years ago he was going to get rid of this. It's going to fall over, ain't it? Look, that door opens. I'm supposed to clean this up. It's missing half that leg. Yeah. I'm going to work on that one day. Fire safe. Alright, this is a tad embarrassing, but we're going to go back in here. So I found this thing during that COVID-19 thing. And so I brought it home and put it on there, and I told Gigi, this is for our essentials, and that's what she did with it. But anyway, this right here looks like that. And I'm trying to find that ground. I can't find it. That's back when that stuff left over from when I repaneled the flooring. That little thing there, Gigi bought that about 15 years ago. It hadn't been opened yet. It's a cooker thing. And this exercise bike, in 30 years I've never seen anybody get on it. All we've done is hang some clothes on that rack a long time ago. And real quick, I have not seen all this stuff in probably 15 years. There's my old, can I zoom in like that? No. There's my old record player right there. I've got a video coming up. I want to play that and show that to the girls. I don't think they've ever seen a record, and we're going to play it on that record player right there from my little kitty days. Oh, that, there's no telling how old that is. Check out all this other stuff. A bunch of it's junk, y'all. We could throw a lot of this away. Oh, look, I've got a tent. And there's my stuff. Well, I can get to that right there. That goes to my, hang on. I was scared. I thought Gigi was home. She doesn't know I'm doing all this. That's the stuff for my kayak. Now let's move on. Hey, you want to buy a picture? A picture frame? So anyway, I cleaned a whole bunch of this stuff off. Look at all those puzzles. I used to build puzzles and just sit at that little square table that everybody used to have and built puzzles. Yeah, and look at this. I still have my original Nintendo 64 game, and now I found out I have the box it came in. That's a long time ago. And right there is my stepson's bowling balls, and right here was his fire equipment. He passed away 11 years ago. And this right here, this cooker, I've got a couple others I bought because I didn't know I had that one back there. Oh, and racquetball, tennis, all that. There's where all the handles or the paddles are. Yeah. You like nuts? Yeah. Didn't know all that was back there. That back there, that was a crib that Gigi used when she was a little girl 60-something years ago. There's the tile I replaced with. That's my extra pieces. Oh, look, a milk jug. Everybody needs a milk jug now, don't they? And I'm supposed to rebuild that chair. Yeah. Let me, hang on. Check out all them old pants. Pretty much filled that dumpster up. But check this out. Check this out. This chair, it's called a telephone chair. That's right. This sat at my grandparents' house a long time ago. And what happens is you put your phone book in here and your telephone up here, and then there was a little box in the wall that you plugged into. Yeah, so it's got four legs here and then one leg over here. Yeah. I got this about 35 years ago because I was going to redo it. Still got it. Oh, check this out. So I lost a lot of weight. If you want to know how I lost all my weight because you're wanting to, I got a pretty good way of doing it. I only had to do it one time in my life. But anyway, all these pants and shorts were in the garage. That was back in 2009. No. 1999? Anyway, I'm getting rid of all that. It's going to Goodwill. And then check this out. I filled up the back of the truck. Now these are not going. These are cleaning things we're supposed to be using, I heard. But anyway, that's all junk going out. And check this out. So this box is full of stuff from 1950, 1920. Yeah, I'm not going to be throwing it away. I still need to go through it though, but it's got some pretty cool stuff in it. Over here, I had to pull all this away. I think it's about 120 rolls of toilet paper. We're in good shape there. I gotta get all this stuff back in here, but someday we're gonna finish cleaning this up. But I never found my grout. I'm still working on that one, y'all. Still working on that one. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I bought a new water hose, garden hose, whatever you call it. Look at the old one, the little green one. Yeah, it wasn't working well for me, so I had to buy a new one. There's that thing again. But let me show you what I got. My next goal, throw all them old garden hoses away, Papa. Oh, and look at those bikes. They're only about 25 years old or longer. Well, there you have it. That was my today's experience. I was supposed to make 3 cooks today. Anyway, subscribe to Papa Texas. Hit that bell somewhere, and I'll tell you what. I'll give you some updates every once in a while. And the other thing I'll do is outdoor cook for you. Yeah. Well, let me get all this wrapped up and cleaned up before Gigi comes home. I never found that grout. See ya.